Hi everyone, good week. Vladimir here with you, and welcome to my weekly review for the last week of November and the first week of December. This week will be a critical week for the markets, and I will try to explain why. Well, I will start with the euro dollar for some reasons, alright? And I want to explain something on this pair. Well, I was short about this pair for a long time now, since 142. For this of you know me a long time, know that I started to short this pair from these levels. Well, I was bearish until 133, but to be honest, I was very surprised during Friday. And why? Because the euro looks like it does not want to stop. And if the euro will not stop these levels, it will probably go to 130, which is the 20 moving average of the daily range, 130, and maybe even lower till 129.50, maybe even 129 here. Well, this is the weekly chart. Okay, we have this uptrend line, we have this down move of the MACD. It reached the zero almost. The stochastic also almost reached the sold area. Well, it's a critical point. It's really critical point. If the euro breaks this level, then we will definitely go down. Right? We'll definitely go down. But will it happen? I'm not sure. I really not sure, and I just want to see how this week it begins. Well, anyway, this candle with almost equal tails does not so good for the bulls, because it's very bearish candle. Well, let's see what will happen at the beginning of the week. The same about the British pound. You see, this is the weekly chart. It looks like we are going down. It looks like we are very bearish, especially on the daily chart, while the Bollinger are open, right? And we break this support line. But let's see how this week begins. Anyway, for the British pound, I am bearish. 155 the first target, 153.50 is the second target for the British pound. Another pair and another ideas, for example, dollar yen. It looks like we are going to see another up move. It will take some days, some up down again. I think the final target will be here. The investors are aiming to sell the dollar yen around 85.50, 86 levels. So let's see how it will develop. Anyway, I am bullish for the dollar yen. The gold continues this head and shoulders, right? It looks like a head and shoulders. Well, if it breaks this neckline, breaks, retest, we are going short for the gold, and I am bearish for the gold. And you all remember my target, which is the weekly uptrend line, right? Okay, so this is about the gold. Well, a few extra pairs. First of all, the Australian dollar, and well, let's see the daily chart. Right, let's see the daily. Here is the daily chart. The Bollinger is open. The head and shoulders is broken. All I want to see now is some retest, and then we will probably see another down moves. Right? Also, the next target will be here on these levels. Alright, the next target will be here, which is this uptrend line, 3.123 point uptrend line. It can be 0.95, maybe even lower on this support line, which is 0.9350, 0.94. Right? So I am bearish for this pair as well. I guess we will see some correction but the target is down. And this is the biggest thing and it surprised me, the New Zealandian. Watch the monthly chart. Can you see this inverted hammer develops? If this week close this way, it means that will probably the New Zealandian will go down for serious down move, long term move. Euro Australian, I want to point something. We have this bullish divergence, and we have this. Let me erase these lines. We have this wedge, right? We have this wedge. Well, let's wait patiently until this wedge is broken up. Once it is, we are going up. Alright, so this is about the Euro Australian, and to be honest, that's all. Maybe another one is the Euro British Pound, which has its bullish divergence here. My target was 0.8375, and I still want to give it the chance to reach during this week. Maybe it should reach until Monday, but let's try to see. Maybe it will take a few more days. Anyway, it looks like with this bullish divergence that we're going up. Maybe the 0.8375 will be the last target, maybe even not. And if not, just look for the break of this uptrend line. Once it breaks, we are going up for this pair. Well, that's all for this week. Many trades about the majors such as the euro dollar. Just be careful. Just let's see the beginning of the week, how it develops, how the Monday will be traded, and we will decide later how to join, how to enjoy this trend. As for now, I do suggest to take your profits from 142 for those of you who were with me from all the way from this down move with the 20%. That's all I have to say, and I will of course keep you updating on the blog. Just make sure to watch it daily basis. And that's all. Thank you very much for your time. I wish you good luck trading, and enjoy your week. Vladimir.